And first of all, understand what is this IT business. What is IT? Information technology. Information technology, right? So what is this IT business? IT business or IT, who do IT business? By IT organizations. Who are the IT organizations? People who do the IT businesses. IT businesses are a IT organization provide IT services. Provide IT services. Okay. Provide IT services. To whom they are providing IT services? To whom they are providing IT services? To IT organizations. Again, to whom they are providing to the IT organizations and non-IT organizations. Non-IT organizations. Non-IT organization. To whom they are providing? To the IT organization as well as non-IT organizations. What is meant by non-IT organizations? What is meant by non-IT organization will come from that line. Okay. For example, you have a retail store is there, a shop, for example, DMart is there. Okay. Retail store it is, right? DMart. Maximum people knows nowadays the DMart. Okay. Earlier days, only if you are in a city, you know the DMart. Now, if it is there in every place, right? So DMart is there. Reliance stores are there, right? Reliance digital stores are there. More Reliance stores are there in every place, every town, bigger town. So definitely Reliance stores are there. Okay, DMart, Reliance store. These are all markets, supermarkets. These are a non-IT organization. What is the point of their businesses? To sell the products, to sell the groceries, selling their electronic goods, or maybe selling these vegetables, right? So there are non-IT organizations. Why these people require IT services? They have a computer, there is a billing software, there is a billing software is required. They have to print the bill and they need a network connectivity. If you go to this Apollo MedPlus, okay, once you purchase something, they will ask your phone number. You're given a phone number, and they will take your membership is there, your membership. So you register a membership. Okay, once you taken a membership, any MedPlus store you go or any Apollo store you go. So once you tell your phone number, they will get your details. What are your purchase history and your discount related, all these things, points, everything will be there only. So what they need? They need a network to connect to their centralized servers. In the centralized server, they have a database. So whenever they connect with their application from the computer, so they will get your customer details. And what are the customer dispatches? Billing, print the biller. So all these things are related to IT services. An IT company provide a computer. An IT company provide an operating system. An IT company provide a billing software. An IT company provide, okay, not only billing software, that's like if it based on the stores, okay, the e-commerce type of application they are getting. Okay, so how many type, what are the different items, their categories, prices, discounts, the type of application that's provided by an IT company only. Once bill is completed, print. They will print the bill and pay the amount. Pay the amount, then bill will be generated. So it includes your payment mode, everything. Credit card payment is different. cash payment is different. Nowadays, we have UPI payments, then UPI payment. This is all IT services, banking related services, and kind of stuff also comes now. It is IT related services. Okay. Some retail stores, as I said, like a MedPlace, Apollo, Spar, some retail stores, they will connect to the centralized one. They'll connect it to the centralized server. So they will get it like this is a customer details. So he's in this kind of membership, he will get a 15% discount. Because of this membership is getting a 20% discount. Okay. So automatically it will calculate. So that is also who designed that server, who is maintaining the server, an IT organization. Who providing this network connectivity, IT organization. Okay. Who providing that application in the server, IT organization. Who maintain the database, IT organization. See guys, I told only one or two examples, only retail stores in the non-IT sector, but it required IT services. It can be hardware related, operating system related, application related, network related, servers related, or any other infrastructure related. It should be provided by IT service provider company only. Okay. Understand that a non-IT organization requirement from the IT services. No response. So can I give another example? So I given a retail store example, non-IT. Manufacturing units, manufacturing companies are there. Okay. So for example, MRF, tire manufacturing company, Madras Rubber Factory, Bridgestone. Bridgestone is another main tire manufacturing company. You know, in 2007, 2008 time, the Bridgestone also face recession. Normally, in India, so we are always talking about uh, IT recessions. But in America, like a countries, so they are getting a recession on the non-IT related organizations. So Bridgestone is not an IT company, right? Bridgestone face some losses. So then they face some big recession. Okay. So huge number of people working in a Bridgestone lost their job. Okay. Of course, there are also required IT services, manufacturing unit. So they need a ERP services. Enterprise resource planning means HR related applications will work. Manufacturing related, material management related ERPs applications required. Okay. Manufacturing means accounts related applications are required by the company. Okay. And another one is what we can say the production related, so production process related, number of units are in the progress, completed, delivered. So this entire thing should be there in the applications, right? And of course, to run the application, they need a computers, they need a network, they need a servers also, they need a storages, they need a databases. This entire IT requirement is there. Now the company went to the last, they don't require IT. When they said that they don't require an IT, automatically the new IT requirements will be stopped and existing IT requirements should be stopped only, right? So same way it is If you take a manufacturing industries, manufacturing industry, so they're also required IT services like a operating system, hardware, applications, network, and servers, storages, and databases, right? So of course, database is also part of one kind of service, right? And people who are working on this IT technology is also requirement is there. Either they will maintain or they will take it from any IT service provider company. Okay. So hospitals. Why I'm unable to type hospital? Because you are not speaking. First one is only correct. Okay. Hospitals, manufacturing industries. So and so on. It is different non-IT organizations required IT services. No responses. Okay. Next, IT organization. Already non-IT is required IT, but why IT organization required IT services? There are already IT services, right? Nowadays it is. Different IT organizations are there. So one organization required another organization related services. For example, I need a internet connectivity. I need a internet connectivity. Internet connectivity is not done by IT organizations. They have to take it from internet service provider. They have to take it from another IT service provider is there. That is an internet service provider. I need a routers, switches, modems, cables. So I have to take it from another service provider. Okay. I need a desktops, IP telephones, monitors. I need to install an operating system, Microsoft Windows I want to install. I have to get it from the Microsoft only, right? I am not manufacturing any operating system. I will get it from other IT companies like a Microsoft. I will take an operating system. I require MS Office. I will take it from IT organizations only. I need a SAP application. So I will take it from SAP. From SAP, I will take SAP application. I created a SAP server. Then for my non-IT company, I will create some ERP application there. Okay. So IT organization also required IT related services from other IT companies. Different things. Again, hardware, operating system, network, okay, internet kind of stuff, and security related applications, different kind of application based on their working. So for example, I'm a Java developer. I need Eclipse. Eclipse is from different organization. Java from other organization. But I'm creating some Java application. I'm creating Java application, but Java from different organization. Now it is from Oracle, Eclipse from Eclipse organization, right? So I need IT related things. It can be an application, it can be a network related, or it can be a security related, or it can be a hardware related or operating system related. So I have to take it from another IT organization only. Yes, understand this picture or not? Service requirement. What is IT services?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, finally some people talking, giving some response. Okay, good. For example, HCL. If you go to HCL Technologies, and see different industries required IT services from HCL. What HCL is providing different types of IT services to different organizations, different types of organizations. Aerospace and defenses, energy utilization, mining and natural resources, retail, telecom, media and entertainment services, capital business services, life science and healthcare, oil and gas technologies, consumer goods, manufacturing, public sector, travel, transport, logistic and hospitality, banking, insurance, capital market, fintech and financial crime, compliance and risk. Say different industries, it is providing services. So what are the services? Application management, automation, business process operations, commercial applications and software as a services, cyber security, data and AI, digital workplace, edge tech, means training related. Okay. Intelligent operations, Internet of Things, marketing services, networks, operational technologies, supply chain, unified service management. Okay. So different type of services. I am going to the home, the same thing. Okay. So you go to the Savantis. Okay. Even from the Savantis has both IT and non-IT services also there. See, Savantis SAP consultant services. SAP migrations, SAP related support, SAP S4 HANA support, okay, customer experience, SAP analytics also it is doing, cloud management related services, SAP on the cloud, SAP outsourcing basis outsourcing on the cloud, okay, application support and ALM, staffing solutions. This is what we are giving. So you are staffing. So staffing to the HCL company, staffing to the Cognizant company, staffing to some other organizations. Will pull the resumes, filter the resumes. Okay. So people who are working in a different organization from Savantis on the Savantis payroll. Okay. So that is a staffing solutions also. Different industry support customer goods, technology and automation industry, life science and pharmaceuticals, energy, oil, gas. Okay. These are the different services by Savantis and different industrial related support. Okay. And for movie ticketing systems, all these things they are providing. You can go any company, guys. You can go to Cognizant. You can find again, see industrial support, what type of industry it is support, and what type of services it is providing. And now it is also giving individuality. You can go data and AI means what are the data and AI related services it is providing. Okay, one by one also you can go. So go to different companies. Go to HCL, Savantis, Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, okay, Tech Mahindra, like a different IT companies. What are the even smaller, bigger? Go to the IT company, their websites, check it what type of services they are providing and what type of industries they are getting the services from this IT company. Okay. Okay. So here I've written what are the different IT services. Different IT services. IT's organization provide IT services. Okay. Provide IT services. What are the IT services? As we know, application or software solutions for a IT or non-IT organizations. You build a software or an application for that one. Okay. Web applications including web applications, mobile applications also people are making. Both are little different, but so just application manner, mobile application, some desktop application, okay, server applications, all these things. Okay. Next, infrastructure management. Infrastructure management, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, kind of stuff. Okay, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, kind of stuff. Okay, sorry. What is infrastructure management means? Managing, sorry, I just little diverted. Servers management, okay, different type of servers, network management, okay, desktop management. Desktop or laptop, guys, both are same. Desktop means it's a PC or laptop kind of stuff. Okay. Laptop related, network related, internet related. Okay. Routers related. Network means all these things comes in one place. And security management. Okay. So like that. Cloud related solutions. Cloud computing. Okay. Cloud computing related, like a infrastructure as a service related, software as a service related, platform as a service related, okay, cloud related services providing, okay, ERP type of application, ERP solutions, okay, ERP or RP, CR, customer relationship management type of solutions, okay. SAP, ERPs, there's a lot of ERPs also. The OC, Oracle ERP system is there, HCM is there. So these are all ERP related. Customer relationship management, like a dynamic CRM, Sugar CRM, Salesforce, these are CRM related applications. Okay. IT support, finally, IT support management, support solutions. Okay. Like any issues by the customer, to managing the customer related issues, okay, and the deployment to the customers, all these things IT support related. So for example, I build an application, I have to deploy my application into the server. Who will going to do that one? This IT support people will do that one. Release management, deployment management, issues resolving, that is incident management, problem management, change management. These are all done by the IT supporting people. Where is our primary role is IT support. So I said release management, deployment management, installation related, deployment management, what we can say, incident management, problem management, change management, change management, um, service request, service request management, all these things by IT support people. Our primary role is this one only. Our primary role is this one. We don't do any software development. We don't do any application development, but we are supporting to the people who are working on the development side. If any issues, they're required. For example, I'm a developer, I develop my application. Now I want to put it in the server. But he's a developer, he don't know about a server. We have to help them to deploy this application to the server. That is deployment management. So new application is done. So it is ready for release, deploy. Before deploy, you have to release it. So the developer developed it in the different phases of an application. You have to combine all the phases and make it as a one single package. That is called application packaging. And once it is packaged, then you have to release. Then you have to start releasing. Yes, this is one done. Update. Update management. One more is I forget here. Updating. Update or a patch management. Update or patch management. So there is 100 clients are there. You have to update their application, update their workstations, update their operating system, or upgrade or patching their application. It's a new update is there. You have to release it and update it. And once it is updated, make sure it is working. These are the main things of this IT support related, guys. And the service desk analyst means this is the main points. So release management, deployment management. So it is release and updates. So all these things are same, like a update and patching is releasing, and update and patching are deployments, new application deployment. Incident issue is occur. So there is a application related issue, or it can be hardware related issue, networking related issues occur. So whenever the client is reporting, that is, I am facing this kind of issues. Who is going to be look after this issue? Who is the person as a level 0? Okay. If you are in a level 0 means understand what is an issue and forward that issue to the proper team. So they will look after that issue. Or as a level 1, level 2, you have to check what is an issue, what kind of issues generally facing. We have to provide a solution. If it is level 1 type, level 2 is complete issues will be resolved anyway. So what is the incidents and problems? So generally dealing with an issues. Change management. It may be required updates or updates, or a change of a code, a change of infrastructure, change of a something like a network related. Okay, that is a change management. Service request. For example, I'm in office. I'm doing some work on my remote infrastructure data center. How to connect my data center from my home. If I'm in office, I can directly connect it to my data center. My servers I can directly connect. From my home, I have to connect because I'm doing some 2 days of work from home. I want to connect from my work from home. So then I will request, I want a VPN connection. I want a VPN connection. Or maybe I want to connect Wi-Fi network. I want to take a printout. I will ask a request to the IT supporting people. It means service desk people. I want to access this button. I want to access my database server. I want to access my storage. Okay. I want to access my shared folder. Okay. Then what I ask? Request. Service request. I want to run my application in some EC2 instance. So I want EC2 instance. I don't know how to create it. I've asked a service desk people to create a EC2 instance to run my application. Okay. So what are the requirements I will tell? They will create and give me an access. So I will take it access and I will run. So guys, this is a IT support. Okay, this is also one of the service provided by IT solutions. Not only, guys, IT company means they don't, not only that they will develop an application then leave it. Not like that. You are getting Swiggy services. Only from your app it is working. From your app to their Swiggy maintaining the servers in their actual application is running. From your application, you are connecting through the internet. Without internet, you can't order anything, right? So once you connect internet, open your Swiggy app, then it will display, depends upon your geographical range, what are the restaurants are there, what are the items are available. Okay, it will get it from the remote server. And who developed that application? Developer. Who deploy that application in the server? This is where infrastructure system administrators, application deployment people are there, system administrators are there who will maintain these servers. Okay, these are all IT support only. System administrators are IT supporting the server engineers, system engineers, desktop supporting people. Okay, desktop support engineers. Okay, so network engineers, network monitoring engineers, NOC, NOC is there. So NOC people, okay, cyber security people, network security people. These are all under the same IT support only. They all belongs to the IT supporting team. So that's what we call it as a main IT supporting related service desk people. Okay, service desk is not one person, not a role. Service desk is not a role, not service desk, not a person. Okay. Service desk analyst is a person. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to say. So for example, I have a 10 years experience in a software development. I'm also part of service desk automatically. Okay. Because any issues occur at application level in a specific issue is occur, it's not working in a particular server, so the client will ask definitely, so my application is not working, this is error I am getting, who is responsible, who is going to be given support? The developer only should give it. Okay, he has a knowledge so how it is works because he created it, and if required he will put it for some changes and testing and deploying again. It's a whole team, guys. It's not some one person. Of course, while working, so people generally we talk about a service desk means for supporting related to the hardware networking application through the telephone calls or maybe email related support or maybe some service desk application related support. Okay, through applications. I will show that service desk applications how it is look like also. But that is in general starting point. But everybody will get a tickets regarding the issues or regarding the service related or regarding the change related, regarding the release related, regarding the updates or deployments related. Everybody is that the talk in the IT organization, how they will communicate, how they will tell you have to do like this, or maybe how they will send the request. Rita, please, 1 second. Hello. Sorry, that is enough of telling, but we will continue the. Okay. So infrastructure management, center man, like a server, storages, network and security administration is also part of IT support and IT services. IT company means it's kind of stuff, it is have so many things. And also check the different IT services from different IT organizations. Okay, so here one more explanation is there now. So there, guys understand somewhat at what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So here is I'm talking in a IT supporting and here the client. Okay, do not think a small box or big box. So only thing is, guys, this is, for example, as an organization is actually maintain the infrastructure in their premises. Okay, just for one example, I'm talking. Infrastructure means it contains servers, storages, okay, network means switches, routers, fiber optical kind of stuff, okay, firewalls, okay, different type of servers like a database servers, okay, web servers, application servers, storage servers, different servers, storages, network, different firewall security. Okay, this is our infrastructure. And we have an employees working in the organization. Those can be a developers, or there can be some other people, different support is there now. For example, they work on some application, they may be customer related data they are using. So different an IT and non-IT staff is working here. Okay. As I said, the service desk is not a one person. Services is, we can say a service desk is an application also. Okay. But I'm talking about the simple service desk. Just for our understanding, guys. But once you are inside, it is little different from things. What is this? What is this first one? It's a service provider. It is a service provider. Maybe think like it is a Savantis. It's an organization providing a service. Yeah, even we cannot put as ABC, not a unique name. You can say conteso.com, okay, example.com like this. Conteso is a unique name, okay? So because no, all you, for examples, you can use it to Conteso. The real it is not a company. It cannot register as a company also because Microsoft, it is comes under Microsoft. Okay, Conteso Solutions is a organization, is a service provider, is providing a certain services to this clients. Okay, so NW Traders is a client company which is getting a services from solution. So there are required some database storage. So some database is required and some application also, some web related web application is also running there in our servers. Okay, and here is we have a developers also there. Okay, so maybe so they have a developers. Okay, there is a developer team is there. I'm making little complex, but there is a development team is there. They develop an application, but they deploy application in our servers. because they cannot maintain the servers. Okay. So what it is? What is our service? We are providing servers access. So they will develop an application, they will put it in our servers. So they are using our servers. So they have to pay for the servers utilization and storage utilization. So what our service we are providing, that is mentioned in the document called SLA. Okay. So what it is? What are the service we are providing? That will be mentioned in a document called SLA, Service Level Agreement. Service Level Agreement. In that one, what we will mention, both client and service provider, what is they will mention, what service we are providing and what is the limitation of service. Okay, what is the how many servers we are providing? 24/7 service is available. 99.999% of service is available. So there is a lot of differences are there, guys. Okay, difference between 100%. There is never 100%. There is a no 100% availability is not there. Generally, 99% is different from 99.9%. And it is different from 99.999%. Okay, number of nines increases, lesser the downtime per year. Okay, it is always calculate like this. So per year 15 minutes downtime, per year 1 hour downtime, per year 1 day downtime, per year 2 days downtime, or per month or per day downtime also there. What is the downtime? Unavailability of service. Yesterday morning, our Sari is also busy, Madhu sir. So because of when we came to the office, the internet is down. We don't know how long it is down. I came at 10 o'clock, Sir came earlier also, maybe 10-15 minutes before, and they checked no internet for anyone. So we didn't get internet. So then we started troubleshooting. And then by 10:30 till 11 o'clock, so we got it, internet, then it is stable kind of stuff. So there is a problem inside our firewall only. So that is giving a problem. So we are unable to understand it because it's inside the data center in the server room only, and lot of cables. Okay. So what we have done is it take time, like almost like 2 hours, no internet. So it is a downtime. Okay. So more nines are increases, lesser the downtime. Okay. Lesser the nines, more downtime. 98%, it may be 2 days, 3 days of per year service is down. Okay. So in SLA, we'll mention availability of service and support level. So 24/7 support level is there. If you got this issue, the issue is based on the priority. It will be resolved in 1 year, one hour. Okay. So higher priority, server is down. Client is unable to access the server because the server is down. It is immediate, higher priority. Okay. So, or maybe, so storage disk is down. So I have a 10 disk, out of 10, 1 disk is only down. It's a second higher priority, not very high. It's like it will take 4 hours to resolve the issue. Okay. Some network related issue. Okay. Not network outage, but network is very slow. It is very low priority because you don't need to take immediate action, but you will take an action, but it will take time because there is some other higher issues also there. Okay. So like that, we'll agree based on these issues or comes under this priority. Based on the priority within this particular time period, issue can be resolved. And you must resolve the issue by the time. Okay. Again, this is service provider. Okay. This is a service provider. Service provider provides service to the clients. Client means can be called as customer or a user or anything you can say. So here I am writing client or a customer, client or a customer. Generally, when you hear a customer, we thought it is an individual customer, like we are also customers, right? Right. So of course, the name is customer means who taken a business or a service from an organization. So this NW Traders organization taken a service. Like they required two servers and a storage space and network connectivity. So they require that infrastructure service. So they are taking from our organization. Okay. And the organization service provider providing service to the client. Service provider provided service to the client. And client and service provider has a document is there in a agreement document that is called a SLA, service level agreement. Service level agreement. What is service level agreement? It contains about a service and service availabilities and support information. Okay, so that is in the SLA. Finally, our main part. For example, this particular developer is try to deploy his application in the now he want to do some connect and change some application related, or he want to deploy a new version of an application. So he got some issue. He got some issues. To whom it is contact, they will will provide a channel like if you got some issues, go through this email related kind of stuff or telephone numbers. We'll have to tell if you got some issue related to this one, call to this phone number, call to this phone number, call to send this mail or said send mail, or you can say go to this help portal is there. This is a service desk portal. Put your information, put your issue, write down issue, and then take a screenshot, put it there. That information will go to the service desk. Okay. So what service provider is doing? So he's giving a channel, either it can be a telephone call, or it can be email, or it can be a portal. It's like using a Zoho, which is one of the application, Freshworks, Service Now, Zira. Okay, I have voice ticket. I will show the voice ticket anyway. So voice ticket, GLPA. Another one is why am I unable to collect? Okay, so lot of okay, service desk tools are there, help desk and service desk tool. So we'll give that application interface. So the person will go to that application, open, login, and give the information. So I'm unable to access this one. What is the error? Screenshot, and that will be go to the service desk. In the service desk, there is a different team members are there. Different team members are there. So for example, here is a team member as related to this system engineers are there. System engineers team is there. Because of this is not a develop application issue, it is a server related access related issues. So it can be network related or server related. So it will be sent to this specific team. That is will be go to this specific team, and this team is look after this issue. So they will go and check it. What happened to the server? Server any why it is not providing a connectivity is a firewall related issue. It's a server is application related issue. Server under application related server internal firewall related issue or storage related issue. They will investigate. So why the client is unable to send it? They'll ask the client also. So why it is not able? Is IP address is correct or not? Port number is correct or not? the application which is he's trying to upload is proper connectivity is there or not. Okay. Once everything is checked and he try to resolve the issues. And this team member will try to resolve an issue. Once it is resolved, and they will tell, yes, issue is resolved. Now it is working or not. And the client finally his issue is resolved and tell issue is done. And where is this note will occur? Where is the note will occur? So means note means issue is occurred by at the client side. At not client side, it's the client side. So they got a problem. So they will try to report to the service desk, right? So once he reported the service desk, a ticket will be created. Ticket will be created. Okay, I'm telling this is a ticket. Ticket is created. And this ticket will be forwarded to the appropriate team members. Okay, they will investigate about an issue. They try to resolve an issue. Once issue is resolved, they'll inform to the client issue is resolved, please verify. Once it is verified, then the ticket will be closed. So this is what happened in a IT support or service desk. Okay, based on the service provider, what are the different types of services based on their services? Okay, different departments are there, different people who are working based on the issue. The issue has to be addressed to the particular department. How they will know issue is occur? How I'm a person who is working on the databases. The issue is related to the database server. It is occurred and client got the problem. So client is trying to retrieve some data from databases server. So he is trying to access some database from the database server. He got some issue, is unable to access. Okay. And the DBA, database administrator. And my role is database administrator. How I know client is unable to access? How I know client is unable to access? So client has to send a report. Client has to give a complaint, right? So how they will do it? Either by telephone call or maybe email or maybe an application like a Jira, Jaho, ServiceNow, Freshworks, okay, BMC Helix, GLPI, OS Ticket. These are the different applications we use. Through that, he has to rise an issue. So this is I'm getting an issue. These are the screenshots. These are the observations. And so it has to come to the DBA, database administrator. From how we'll get it? From the client to the service desk. The service desk will decide this is a database related issue and the ticket will be created. Ticket is created. So when a client raises an issue, ticket is created. The ticket will be forwarded to the database administrator. So as a database administrator, I received the ticket, look at the ticket. So different what are the issue is getting and I will check it. If required, again, I will contact the client. So how he is trying to access that IP addresses or protocols, port numbers, kind of stuff. So based on that, I will investigate what issue, how it is happened, I try to fix it. Once issue is resolved, okay, I will tell to the client, so issue is resolved, please verify and confirm. So client is confirmed that issue is resolved, then I will close the ticket. Now ticket is closed. Okay, so this is a life cycle, guys. Always remember the client, client got an issue or he want to send a request, some access related request or maybe change related request is there. Okay, or maybe if there's some issues, problems are there, incidents are there. So he will try to reach the service desk. Through telephone or email or through portals, you try to reach the service desk. Okay. Directly is also there. That is also built in. And in the service desk, when this thing is hit to the service, whatever, when it is service desk received, a ticket is created. In this ticket, information about the client, location of the client, about an issue, and the priority of the issue, when it is occur, priority, and when it is occur. And this ticket will be assigned to the team which belongs to this specific type of issues or specific client related. Okay, either the team is for the client or for the technologies. There are 2 points out there. Okay, the team is built for the client. What are the client related issues occur? This team will take it. Another one is technicality related, like multiple clients are there. I cannot assign entire team for the specific client. Entire team should not be assigned to the one technical. So I'll divide them in the organization. They will divide in a technical manner. So for example, it is a database related. So there is a database administrator is there. He is look after this database related issues. The server engineers look after the server related issues. If it is a server related issue, the server engineers, server administrators will check this. They'll take the ticket, investigate, and try to resolve the issues. Once issue is resolved, confirm with the client, issue is resolved, then close the ticket. So this is what happened. Okay, guys. Understanding or totally confusing? So it is a simple word. Service provider provide a service to the customers. Service provider provide a service to the customer. If customer requires information, the customer is required information from how to connect or some access permissions. They want some access permission, or maybe they want some change request, or they want to report an issue, or they want to change of the service or change of access. So they will try to reach service desk. The service desk, what it will do, take information and give the support to the customer needs. Try to resolve an issue. If in case required, then escalate the issues. For example, I'm a junior level. I cannot able to fix that issue. Then I will escalate the issue to my L2 level or L3 level directly. Okay. So that is escalating the issue. Customer will be finally resolve that issue. The customer required information, reach the service desk, and customer will get that information. Customer got an issue, reach the service desk, and customer resolve the issues. The finally what it is the customer required. If you need an information or a reporting an issue or you want a change of some services, it should be done. It should be done, of course, based on SLA only. So as a service desk person, you have to make sure it should be done. Okay, that is what I am trying to say about a service desk. Of course, there is a few more things are there about a customers, clients, users. Who is that? Who is this person? About a ticket. What is a ticket? What are the different types of tickets? Priorities of tickets. Okay. SLA. And again, finally, what is a service desk? Okay. So what is a service desk, guys? Single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both users and IT employees. What is a service desk? It is a platform. It is a kind of platform which make a communication between, means it's a single point of contact. Service desk is a single point of contact between the users, means clients or customers, to the IT employees. As I said, I'm a DB, a database administrator, who is administrating this database servers. Client got some issue. He cannot reach me directly. So he has to reach to the service desk. So I will get the information from the service desk to solve that issues. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to say. Okay. From the service desk, what it give initial support to the customer. They will ask service desk level 0 people. Generally, they will first connect it to the clients. They'll ask the client, so what is an issue, how it is, and where is the issue, when it is occur, all these things, that basic information will get it, and basic support from the service desk. Initial support to the customer immediately, give some support. Understand customer issues are required. What is the customer required? What is issue is get it. First, we should understand. Provide information to the customer. He needs some information. Or he got some issues. Provide information regarding that related issue. How to check it. How to do it. Is done as given document or not. Okay. Give some initial support. Escalating the issue. Issue is not resolved by simple initial troubleshooting. It is not resolved. Then we have to escalate to the higher levels. Managing the ticket, create the ticket. If customer reaches the service desk, create a ticket, give the customer related informations, locations, issue, priorities. Okay. And assigning the ticket to the specific team or user. Rise the ticket means escalate the ticket. Monitoring ticket status. Issue is resolved. Still, it is an open ticket. And now is it a resolved or a closed ticket? You have to monitor the ticketing status. Okay, closures, and finally service. Finally, so make sure that is what is the service desk is a make sure that is satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objectives. What is customer needs? We understand. What is IT provider objectives? What is IT provider objective is? Provide a service to the customer and an agreed level of services. You have to make sure the customer should get always service. If customer is required information, customer face some issues, customer requires some change of a services, you have to make sure it is available. You have to fulfill that customer needs. That is a IT provider objective. And of course, in the service desk, we have different terminologies are there. Events, alert, incidents, problem, changes, service, change of services, change, service request also there. Monitoring your infrastructures, monitoring of course, infrastructure means like your servers, databases, storage devices, networks, everything should be required to monitor to make sure that is everything working fine. Anything is goes wrong, you should receive an alert. Okay. And you have to immediately, you can take an action before more issues are occur. SLA, OLA, UC. These are another terminologies also important in the service desk. So what is the service desk, guys? It provide single point of contact between the customers or a client to IT employees, those who are providing support, IT employees. That's enough. This is about a service desk. Then after the break, we are going to discuss about different types of customers and the tickets, priority of tickets. These points also we'll discuss. Up to here we will discuss after the break. Okay. Take a break for a 10